Greetings, people. This is how you take your standard Walmart $15, $8, $9, $45 watch. Not a G-Shock watch, a regular standard watch from your regular local store, Walgreens, Walmart, whatever, Target, Best Buy, whatever you can find a watch that sells a watch, a cheap watch that has four buttons, which is your light, your mode, and your start and your reset. You got your light, your mode on your left side, and you got your start and reset on your right side. This is a water resistant 50 mm water resistant band watch, rubber band. See, it's made out of like tire rubber. Alright, this what usually breaks on the watch. You see a little pin there that usually falls out. It's a pin, a little rod that goes back and forth from this end to the other end that holds this thing in place, that holds the latch in place, which the latches this onto your wrist, and this is your rat the band rat the band to hold it onto your wrist, and this is a water resistance stainless steel case V53 OZ Bark Tribal. Your standard battery, standard watch. You have the date, the month, the light, select, alarm, and time. You also have military time, which a lot of people hate, personally me, and you also have your standard time, which is the whole point of buying a digital watch, to have my standard time and not read analog. So here we go. My watch is currently set up in military 24-hour hourly clock. Remember, hourly 24 hours. Standard 12 hours. Alright, I want to go back to standard 12 hours. I'm in hourly 24 hours, which is considered military time. I need to get out of military time. This is military time right now you're looking at. Alright, it is 3:27 right now where I'm at. So I'm going to set this to 3:27 or whatever time I get up to. I'm going to set it to the 19 is going to be a 3, and it's going to say PM because it's PM. It's PM right now. Right now, and it's in military time, and there's no AM or PM. It's just standard 1 to 24 hours. All right, so I don't want 1 to 24 hours. I can't surface that when I'm working. So here we go. You're gonna hold. Let me stop this stopwatch. I don't know why it's on. Stopwatch is self-explanatory. There's no lap on it. There's just a stop and go. There's no lap, run, and all that stuff. You gotta get a phone or something, or a real stopwatch. This is a regular stopwatch. All right, now you're gonna go into mode. This is showing the time right now, the wrong time. This is showing your alarm clock, and a little button down there. Not little button, the little logo right there. You see the little logo with the ring bell? That's your alarm. It's on. I can turn my alarm on and off by holding the start mode and reset. That turns off my alarm. It's very easy to set this. It took me a little bit to understand it. I had to learn off my own because YouTube, Google, and other videos online wasn't helping me. So hopefully this will help some people out there, like myself. Anyways, I don't need the help anymore, so I figured it out my own. Alright, I'm going to put the alarm back on because I need to wake up in the morning. Shit. When it shows all this shit like that, that means you just put the alarm on. Alright, so it's Tuesday. See the TU, and the time is messed up, and I'm going to fix the time. It's in military time. I want to put it back into standard. This is how you do it. You have your light, your mode, your start, and reset. So I'm going to hit the mode once. it's going to take me to my stopwatch. I don't want the stopwatch. I hit the mode again. Alright, it's taking me to the hourly on my alarm clock. I don't know why I would skip your time, put you in the alarm clock, but it's showing me in my alarm clock. And my alarm clock is set to 4:12 a.m. Actually, it's not set to 4:12 a.m. It's set to 4:12 hourly. The reason why it's set to hourly because I'm still in military time. So, forget about your alarm. Hit mode again. If you get this, hit mode again, and it's also says, okay, when you're blinking, this is the time. This is the time which is on the watch. When it's blinking seconds, you want to hit, I believe, you gotta go into seconds. You gotta hit reset. And reset will put you from minutes to hourly. Now, hourly, to change the hours of the time, your current time. So, see it says H at the bottom? That means you're in hourly 24-hour mode, which is military time. To get out of military time, you're going to hit start. That changes the time. Alright, now I'm going to hit 24 hours. Back to AM. See the A at the bottom? That means it's AM. It might not say it on the left side, but it's AM. When I go to PM, it's going to show you a P next to where it says light. See it says light down there? It's going to show you a PM. AM don't show you anything. It just, when it turns night, it will show you PM on the side there. I am currently back into standard mode. Standard 12-hour mode. Non-24-hour military hourly mode. So right now, I'm going to show you how to cipher. See, I'm in PM now. I'm going to show you how to cipher from standard to 24 hours. Only thing I did was go to seconds, change it over by hitting start twice, go into your hourly, which I'm changing right now, and this is how you cipher your time from standard to 24 hours, which a lot of people have a lot of problems with because they don't fully descript or have a button you can push or turn off, like a toggle switch of 24-hour and standard on a digital watch. So I'm going to set the time. It's 3:33 p.m. and that's the time. And it's also Tuesday. See, it's flashing Tuesday. It's Tuesday. When it's flashing Monday, it's showing you that Monday 4:12 a.m. the alarm's gonna go off. And that's the current time, and that's it. It's a standard watch, gets me through the day. That's all I need. I work 7 to 8, so I need my standard time. I don't need to be messing around with military time. I need working overtime. I need to get out or get back home. It's a pretty unique watch. It's alright. For the bang for your buck, I went through 2 of these already. Because the last one I had, the damn thing broke apart because I dropped it like that. I actually didn't drop it like that. It did drop like that when this thing right here fell apart. I hit this thing on a tire, a used tire. I was stacking tires at an oil shop, and this shit fell apart. So, yep, I gotta get back to my day now. This is how you set military time on your standard watch. You want to turn it from standard to military. This is how you do it. You hit mode, 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 start, actually hit reset, That changes it to minutes. Hit reset again, and that changes it to the hourly. And you just go up and down on hourly. I'm in 24-hour mode. I'm back into AM standard 12-hour mode. About to switch to PM night, and that's the time, and that's the date, March 3rd, March 14th, I'm sorry, and it's Tuesday. And this is how you change the day. Hit start, which I'm going to put it back on Tuesday, and that's it. I just showed you all the functions on this watch, besides the light, which I'll show you in a second. To get out of all this, you keep on hitting reset, and so you get back to the seconds, and you hit mode again. There you go. Now you got your date set, your day set, the time set, and of course your alarm set. Remember, again, to turn the alarm on and off, you hit start, reset, mode. It's gonna flash like this. Now my alarm is off. How I know it's off, there's no thingy down there on the bottom where it says 00. There's no thingy down there. And I'll put a thingy down there when I turn it back on. Holding these buttons again. Start, mode, reset. The alarm is on. The alarm is on for this time. 4:12 a.m. And the same way you set the time on your watch, same way you set the time on the alarm system. That's just like, I don't like how it goes off real fast, but it does that because it's, battery consumption. But there, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Rate, like. Hopefully this will be the last video. Somebody put it up. How to do military to standard, because a lot of people don't know how to make a quality video that shows you how to set it. That's why I had to make one. Thank you.